AI is the future, and startups in this space are exploding. But what if you have zero experience? Can you still build an AI startup? Yes, you can. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start an AI business, even if you're not a programmer or an AI expert. Step 1. Find a problem. I can solve the most successful AI startups don't start with technology. They start with a problem. Ask yourself, 1. What industry needs AI the most? 2. What everyday task can AI make easier? 3. Where is AI underutilized? Look for gaps in healthcare, finance, content creation, customer service, or automation. AI works best when it saves time, reduces costs, or improves accuracy. Step 2. Validate your idea. Before building anything, you need to test demand. Here's how. 1. Talk to potential customers. Ask if they would pay for your AI solution. 2. Create a landing page explaining your idea and see if people sign up. 3. Post in AI and startup communities to get feedback. If people show real interest, you know your idea has potential. Step 3. Use no-code AI tools. You don't need to be a programmer to start an AI business. There are no-code AI tools that allow you to build AI-powered applications without writing a single line of code. Some of the best tools include 1. ChatGPT API and OpenAI. Use AI for text-based automation like chatbots and content generation. 2. Bubble and Zapier AI. Build AI-powered apps without coding. 3. Runway ML and Canva AI. Create AI-generated videos and designs. 4. Make.com. Automate AI workflows for businesses. With these, you can build a working prototype without hiring developers. Step 4. Partner with AI developers. At some point, you'll need custom AI development. If you're not technical, consider 1. Hiring freelance AI developers from Upwork or Fiverr. 2. Using AI consulting firms that build solutions for startups. 3. Finding a technical co-founder who understands AI. Your role is to focus on the business side, while they handle the technical development. Step 5. Secure funding or bootstrapping. You can either bootstrap your AI startup or look for funding. Here's how. 1. Start small. Build an MVP, minimum viable product, and get early customers. 2. Apply for AI startup accelerators like Y Combinator or Techstars. 3. Seek investors. Many VCs are actively funding AI startups. 4. Use grants and competitions. Governments and universities fund AI innovation. Step 6. Scale your AI startup. Once you have a working product and paying customers, it's time to scale. 1. Improve your AI model with user data. 2. Expand your market by reaching new customers. 3. Automate operations to keep costs low. 4. Raise more funding if needed to grow faster. The AI startup opportunity is still early, which means huge opportunities exist. The key is starting now. You don't need to be an AI expert. You just need a problem, a solution, and the right tools to build it. So if you've been waiting for the perfect moment to start an AI business, this is it. Take action, validate your idea, and start building today.